A C major arpeggio is made up of the most important notes from the C major scale: C, E, G, and C. It has gaps in, so we need to stretch our fingers between some of the keys. We already learned the right hand. Now in the left hand, I want you to start with finger 5 on low C. Then we're going to put finger 3 on E, stretch and miss out a key to put finger 2 on G, stretch and miss out 2 keys to put your thumb on middle C, freeze on finger 1. Now we'll go back the same way. Finger 2 on G, finger 3 on E, and finger 5 on low C. Let's do that again, really slowly. 5 on C, 3 on E, 2 on G, 1 on C, 2 on G, 3 on E, 5 on C. Well done.